Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something absolutely crucial for your safety, your car's performance, and even your fuel efficiency. It might seem simple, but there are some key things you need to know to get it right. Let's get rolling. First things first, when should you actually be checking your tire pressures? This is a common question, and the answer is when your tires are cold. Now, cold doesn't mean the outside temperature. It means the tires haven't been driven on for a good couple of hours. Ideally, check them in the morning before you start your day, or after your car has been parked in the shade for at least 2 hours. Driving heats up the tires and the air inside, giving you a falsely high reading. So remember, cold tires in the shade, Alright, you've got your car parked and the tires are cold. Now, you're heading to a pump to check the pressure. Here's a little tip. Try to choose a pump that's no more than 1 kilometer or half a mile away from where your car was parked. The less you drive on cold tires before checking, the more accurate your reading will be. Now for a really important step that many people overlook. When you attach the pressure gauge to your tire valve, take a good look at the pressure reading before you start adding air. Why is this important? Well, it can tell you a lot about the health of your tires. If you see that one of your tires has significantly lower pressure compared to the others, say you were aiming for 36 psi and 3 tires are at 34 but one is down at 30, this is a red flag. You likely have a puncture or a slow leak in that specific tire. It's crucial to investigate this before you drive any further. On the other hand, if you find that all your tire pressures are down, but the difference between them is only a psi or 2. For example, all are around 32 when you want 36. This is more likely due to natural air loss over time, which is normal. Sometimes, a slow leak can be a bit more subtle. If you consistently find one tire losing pressure more quickly than the others, even without an obvious puncture, it could be due to dirt or debris trapped between the tire bead and the rim. This prevents a perfect seal. It's worth getting this checked by a tire professional who can demount the tire, clean the rim, and remount it. Now, where do you find the correct tire pressure for your vehicle? Look for a sticker, usually located on the driver's side door jamb. This sticker provides the manufacturer's recommended tire pressure. But here's a key point. Some cars have different recommended pressures depending on the load you're carrying, the number of passengers, and the amount of luggage. Make sure you're checking the pressure recommended for your typical driving conditions or when you're carrying a heavier load. Always ensure your tires are properly inflated for safety and efficiency. Let's bust a couple of common myths right now. You might have heard someone say, it's really hot this summer so you should reduce your cold tire pressure below what the manufacturer recommends. This is a myth. Don't do it. The manufacturer has already taken into account the temperature variations when they set those recommended pressures. You might have heard someone say, it's really hot this summer, so you should reduce your cold tire pressure below what the manufacturer recommends. This is a myth. Don't do it. The manufacturer has already taken into account the temperature variations when they set those recommended pressures. Secondly, if you've just driven a long distance on the highway and your tires feel warm or even hot, don't immediately try to reduce the pressure unless it's dangerously high, which is rare with proper inflation. Tire pressure naturally increases as the tires heat up due to friction. You can expect an increase of around 3 to 4 psi when your tires get hot. On a particularly scorching day or after very spirited driving, this increase might be a bit more. But again, the manufacturer's recommended cold tire pressure on your door sticker already factors in this normal pressure increase during driving. So to recap, check your tire pressures when they're cold and your car has been stationary for a couple of hours, preferably in the shade. Use a nearby pump and always note the pressure before you add air. Be aware of inconsistent pressure drops that could indicate a leak. Always refer to the tire pressure sticker on your driver's side door, keeping in mind any load variations. And finally, don't adjust hot tires unless absolutely necessary. Keeping your tire pressures correct is a simple yet incredibly important aspect of car maintenance. It improves your safety, extends the life of your tires, and can even save you money on fuel. Make it a regular habit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about tire pressures. Drive safe, everyone.